Prep Zone tonight. Boys basketball. We're at Fontainebleau. Slidell coming to Fontainebleau. The Tigers take on the Bulldogs, a District 6-5A matchup. All right, pregame with Coach Barry Dotson. Coach, Trey Rollins is over here. He's a big man. What are you going to do to try to stop him?
You know, we hope that he doesn't get too many touches because he is talented and he can score, take it to the basket hard. If he touches the ball, we have to collapse on him very quickly and make them be a perimeter team. Thing is, they're a pretty good perimeter team at times, and if they shoot the ball well, it'll be a difficult night.
I imagine you're going to tell me that you have to play good defense, do the fundamentals, and shoot good tonight.
Yeah, but we need to handle the basketball. You know, we've been turning the ball over way too much, and if we can handle the pressure that they're going to put on us, we have a chance, and that's what we need to do. And it'll depend. You know, Slidell's going to come in and they're going to challenge us, and if we accept that challenge, we should do okay.
Pre-game with Coach Dale Schimento. First time we're going to see the Tigers this season. Give us a rundown on how you're doing.
We got some good boys that are listening, playing hard. We like to be in a better position than we are right now, but I think I have to do a better job of teaching some of the fundamentals that we're lacking right now, blocking out, passing the basketball, and just executing our offense. We worked real hard on that last practice, and again, we have a good group of boys. They're going to give us everything they have, so I'm satisfied with the effort. We have to execute better, and I have to do a better job of teaching.
Okay, tonight you got Fontainebleau. What are you going to need to do to get a victory?
Again, those fundamentals, block out, and we have to stop the dribble drive. They're real good at penetrating off the dribble. Coach Dotson does a great job of teaching motion offense. So our biggest dilemma tonight is moving our feet and stopping the dribble drive.
Rollins at 6'5" to jump against the 6-foot Accardo. 6-5A matchup, district level. Trey Rollins gets the tap to Dokes. Rollins in the lane. Over to Raynard, right back to Rollins, and he's good. First basket of the game. Butone, Escani, back to Butone. Escani, Forrest back to Escani. Butone, and that shot off the mark. Dokes. Rollins trying to get it under control. Raynard. Walk called on Rollins. Logan Forrest gonna walk it up. Butone. Escani. Back to Butone, in the lane, kicks it back. We got a walk called. Tim Perkins inbounds to Jamal Dokes. Jamal will walk it up. Inside for Rollins, and the basket. Little jump hook right there by Trey Rollins. Draws the foul, and he'll go to the line and shoot one. Off on that one. Rebound, loose ball. Fontainebleau comes up with it. Accardo to Butone. Colin Butone. Excuse me, that was Logan Forrest to Butone now, and to Escani. Accardo, drive, and scores the basket. Joseph Escani with the drive and the basket. And Escani will go to the line. Knocks down the shot. 4-3. The Slidell lead. Blosh to Raynard. Back around to Dokes. Raynard. Rollins. Dokes. Rollins looking inside. Perkins. Back out. All the way around. Raynard misses the shot. Fountain Blue comes away with the rebound. Long shot by Butone, no good. Rebound Rollins. Dokes. Raynard back to Dokes. Rollins. Blosh inside Rollins. And they move it around quickly. Slidell moving it around, just have not been able to get a shot off though. Kind of alley-oop right there for Rollins, doesn't work. Escani, Butone, handoff. Escani, long three-pointer. In and out, no good. Rebound Rollins. Dokes gonna bring it up. Blosh. Dokes, long shot, off the mark. Blosh cannot run it down. 4-3. Slidell over Fountain Blue. 4:44 to go, first quarter. And substitution. Ryan Alfred checks in. Forrest, Escani. Alfred. Bastion. Kick out, shot, off the mark by Logan Forrest. Raynard cross court for Rollins. Dokes back to Rollins. Off the mark, rebound, Escani, Joseph Escani. And we have a timeout, 3:59 to go in the first quarter. 4-3, Slidell over Fountain Blue. Joseph Escani will inbound. Jason Turner will walk it up on the right side. Turner. Hand off, Ryan Alfred. Bastion drive, layup, partially blocked by Blash. Dokes. Blosh. Raynard back to Dokes. Fleming, hands off, and we got a walk called. J.R. Maccabee checks in. And Simon Blosh checks out. Jason Turner at 6'2", the tallest guy, and the smallest guy comes up with the steal. Dokes with the finish. Jamal Dokes, the tallest, or one of the two tallest guys on Fountain Blue's team is Turner, and Dokes, I believe the smallest guy on the court, just scores right there, 6'3", 3:20 to go. First quarter, Slidell over Fountain Blue. Jamal Dokes at the line. He converts the three-point, the old-fashioned three-point play right there. Colin Butone, half-court zone right here, pressure by the Tigers. Trying to mix it up a little half-court zone. Turner, baseline. Butone handing off. Accardo, and we got double dribble. Blosh checks back in, and Tristan Fleming checks out. 2:54 to go, first quarter. 7-2, Tigers over the Bulldogs. District 6 5A. We're in the kennel at Fontainebleau High. Dokes with the drive in the lane, puts up the shot, draws the foul, and Jamal Dokes will go to the line. Jamal, the left-hander, good on the first. He'll get a second. It's good. 3 for 3 from the line. 5 points of his team's 9 and a 9-3 lead. Half court press again. Rollins with the steal. White basketball. Thompson called for the walk. Dokes. Rollins inside for Blash. Back out to Dokes. Back in. Maccabee in the lane. Puts up a shot off the mark. Rebound, Logan Thompson. Thompson. Drive by Bastian out to Thompson. Gives it off to Turner. Turner good for 3. Jason Turner gets his team within 3 at 9-6. Dokes kicks it out. Maccabee. Rollins pump fake, brings it in the lane, draws the foul.
Foul number 20, Andre Ricardo, his second. Team's 4th in the first half. Trey Rollins shoots 2.
Rollins, good on the first. He will get a second. Misses on the second. 10-6, Slidell. Still with the half court pressure. Ooh, open man, Logan Thompson. Good for 2. Nice pass down there to Thompson. Dokes. Blash. Maccabee. Back to Dokes. Under a minute now to go. First quarter. That one knocked away by Turner, but Rollins gets it down inside. They're going to say, no, it was not a shot. It was on the ground.
Substitution for the Bulldogs, number 13, Logan Forrest.
Slidell inbound now. 40.2 seconds to go. First quarter. Just to throw it right up. Rollins knocks it down.
Foul call number 15, Visconti, his first. Team 6. Rollins back to the count. He's at the line to shoot 1.
Trey Rollins has 7 in the quarter. Make it 8. And it's 13-8. Slidell. Maccabee, nice steal right there. Gives it back to Dokes. To Rollins. Back to Balash. Maccabee. Inside Rollins. Turnaround shot. Slidell comes up with it. Raynard inside for Rollins. On the baseline. In and out. No good. Rebound. Bastion. Going coast to coast. It does not go. Wow. I think that ball went everywhere around. Shot at the buzzer by Maccabee, no good. That ball went everywhere it could, but in. 13-8, Slidell up by 5 after 1. Escanni to inbound to start the second quarter. Turner. Thompson. Butone. Escanni. Motion offense going up against that man-to-man defense. Maccabee with a nice play. J.R. Maccabee off the bench, a freshman with a nice steal there. Raynard drive to the basket. Foul call on Turner. Blake Raynard will be at the line. Good on the first. Blake will get a second. Two for two for Raynard. 15-8. The Slidell lead. Turner going to bring it up. Dokes on Bastion. Bastion to Butone. Back to Bastion. Stolen there. Maccabee going to bring it back out. And that one off of White. Fountain Blue basketball, 6:46 to go. First half, 15-8. Turner, cross court. Reverse layup by Thompson, no good. Quickly the other way, Raynard. Driving, baseline shot, no good. Dokes comes down with the rebound, kicks it back out. Good ball movement and a foul. Rollins turnaround jumper's good, but it's waved off. So Trey Rollins at the line. He's 2 for 3. Excuse me, 2 for 4. He's got 8 points. Trying to add to that. 9 points. Rebound Turner on the missed shot. Escanni. Long shot, Butone off the mark. Rebound, Rollins. Rollins seems to be owning everything on the defensive boards for Slidell. Balash, Maccabee. Raynard inside to Rollins. Beautiful pass. 11 for him, 18 for Slidell, and a 10-point lead. Cross court, Forrest. Turner, Dokes on Turner. Forrest. Turner, long shot, called out of bounds on the sideline. Slidell basketball. Maccabee. Blosh inside, puts up a shot, off balance, no good. Maccabee almost a save there. Blake Raynard called for the foul, but I'd say if I'm watching anything, and we know Rollins is good, but I'm impressed by J.R. Maccabee, a freshman who's come off the bench, and he's ready to make some plays. Basket counts. That was a nice play, but I got to say that was a continuation. You know, I think that's only good in NBA, but basket nonetheless. Maccabee comes out. And Butone will try to make three the old-fashioned way, which he does. 18-11, Slidell. Rollins inside, gets it, puts it in. Fountain Blue got no answer for Trey Rollins down inside. Turner. Butone. Escani, cross court. Ball moved around, Turner. Dokes with the steal, nice job. And the left-hander scoops one on Turner, but draws the foul. Jamal Dokes, 4 for 4 from the line. He's got 6, chance to make it 7, and a 12-point lead right here. Done. 22-11, Slidell over Fontainebleau. Shot from the right wing, no good. Put back, no good. Loose ball. That one knocked away by Raynard. Decided height advantage to Fontainebleau, but they got the rebound that time. Said decided height advantage to Slidell, but Fontainebleau got the rebound. Yeah. Nice shot inside by Butone. 22-13. Dokes looks inside. Rollins, no. Said holding. Logan Forrest at 5'6" was guarding Trey Rollins at 6'5". Rollins will go to the line. Misses the first. Four for 7 from the line. 14 points in the game, 23-13. Nice play inside, but Rollins was able to get a piece of that one. And the rebound. Dokes with a good finish with the right hand. He's got 9. Long shot by Butone. In and out, no good. If Fountain Blue's got to have a chance, those shots got to fall. They are not so far. 25-13. That one kick called.
Substitution for founder number 4, Logan Thompson.
Raynard to inbound. 2:53 to go in the half. 12-point lead for Slidell. Rucker, Ryan Rucker checks in, and he's timeout. 2:37 to go in the first half. 25-13. Slidell over Fountain Blue. Ball inbounded after the timeout. Raynard on the back door, blocked by Alfred. Raynard thinking about it again, but Alfred all over him. Rucker, cross court to Rollins. Rollins, back to Dokes. Raynard, inside, Rollins, turnaround shot, good. Trey Rollins adds to his point total, 27-13, 14-point lead. Steal. Raynard with the basket after the steal. Rollins has 16, and it's 29-13. In the lane, Buton off balance, no basket. Dokes the other way, pulls it back out, and will shoot the three. Off the mark, rebound, Fountain Blue. Bastion right at the basket, but a little off control, out of control, misses the shot. May have been jostled a little, hard to tell. Rucker, Ryan Rucker. Dokes, back to Rucker, in the lane, kicks it out. Blash, short, rebound. Butone, right down the lane, and Dokes reaches in. Iscani to inbound. Bastion. Iscani comes up short. Rollins gets the loose ball. Dokes brings it up. We're under 40 to go in the first half. 29-13, 16-point lead for the Tigers. Blash, layup. Simon Blash gets his first points, and an easy layup as Fountain Blue came out, tried to press half court. Steal right there by Raynard. And a chance to 18 points, try to push it to 20 right here. Dokes driving in the lane, layup, misses, rebound. Thompson, got to go up, that's good. It's good. Yes, it's good. At the buzzer, Fountain Blue gets within 16. They trail 31-15. Second half underway with that ball thrown in. Inside to Rollins. He misses, put back by Raynard. That strong move by Rucker, and Rucker finishes. Bosch. Once again, defensively, Slidell doing the job. Dokes in the lane, layup, no good. Rebound to Accardo. Fountain Blue going the other way, and a foul by Rucker.
Foul call number 34, Ryan Rucker, his first. Tigers first in the second half.
Dokes puts up the shot, draws the foul from Accardo.
Foul call number 20, Accardo, his third. Bulldogs first in the second half.
20-point lead now for the Slidell Tigers. Dokes misses on the first. He was 5 of 5 until then. 5 of 6 now. Six of 7, he's got 10 in double figures. Dokes, another steal. Rucker finishes. Fountain Blue unable to figure out this little half-court zone press here from Slidell. Another turnover. Turner and Alfred check in. Forrest and Accardo check out. 6:12 to go, third quarter, 38-15, Slidell. Rollins, turnaround shot, good. 18 for Trey. And it's 40-15. Turnover as that one comes off of Escani's foot, out of bounds. Raynard, turnaround shot, no good. Tap in, no good. Follow up, good. Blake Raynard's got 8. Good effort by him. Stay after that, get the tap in. 42-15. Turner, cross court. Butone to Turner. Inside. Almost stolen. Butone still got it, gets it out. Turner in the lane. No good. Put back. 5 for him, 42-17, Slidell. Dokes gonna walk it up. Rollins. Jamal Dokes. Inside, layup, foul.
Foul call number 21, Alfred, his first, team second.
Alfred would call for the foul, but some good sportsmanship as he went over there and helped Jamal Dokes up. Jamal will go to the line. Good on that one. He'll get a second.
12, Lemoyne.
$11 for Dokes, 43-17. Slidell, steal. Rucker, layup. Rucker with 6 points in this half. And we have our first timeout, 4:24 to go in the third. 45-17, Slidell over Fountain Blue. Escani will inbound after the timeout, Jason Turner. Dokes knocks it away. Doak pull-up jumper at the foul line, short, out of bounds. Rucker tried to save it, unable to do so that time. Fountain Blue basketball. Nice pass right there, and Logan Thompson finishes. Scotty got it in the middle and dumped it off to Thompson for the layup. A rare occurrence so far in this game versus that defense, but executed well that time. Rollins inside layup. 20 for Rollins, 47-19. Almost stolen by Raynard.
Substitution for the Tigers, number 50, Tim Perkins.
Whistle.
Foul call on number 50, Tim Perkins, his first.
Perkins called for the foul. That'll put Brandon Lemoyne at the line. Lemoyne misses the first, he'll get a second.
32, Tristan Fleming.
Misses that one. Gets his own rebound though. Puts it up, blocked. Slidell basketball. Rucker, J.R. Maccabee, Dokes, Rucker, Raynard. Raynard with the drive, no good. Put back, good. Blake Raynard with 6 in this half, 10 in the game. 49-19, 30-point lead now for Slidell. Loose ball. Slidell comes out of the pack. Dokes a little out of control that time. Jamal could see the finish line right there, the basket, and tried to hurry. Gotta like his spunk. Drive shot off the mark by Ascani. Perkins to Rucker to Fleming. Pull-up jumper in the lane, no good. Rebound, Bastion. Thompson. Accardo. Ascani. Drive and a foul. 1:31 to go in the third quarter. 30-point lead for Slidell. Maccabee checks back in. Dokes is checking out. Rucker's in.
Substitution for the Tigers, number 12, J.R. Maccabee.
Shot, no good. Rebound to Raynard. Maccabee. Rucker. Back to Maccabee. J.R. Maccabee, freshman. Long shot by Fleming, off the mark. Rebound, quickly the other way. Thompson Gets it over to Ascani, falling away, no good. Fleming hands off to Maccabee. Walk called on that play.
Substitution for the Tigers, number 54, Mitchell Rouse.
Mitchell Roos checks into the game. Long shot off the mark, rebound, Roos. Maccabee. Rucker inside, Roos loses the handle. Fountainblue the other way. 13 seconds to go in the quarter. Kick it back out, long shot, no good. No three-pointers tonight. Yeah, check it, 1 3-pointer. That'll end the third quarter. 30-point lead for Slidell at 49-19 over Fountainblue. Ball inbounded to start the fourth and final quarter. 30-point lead for Slidell. Really extended it out in that quarter. Long shot off the mark. Rucker. Fountainblue only able to get 4 points in the third quarter. Maccabee in the lane, pull-up jumper, good. J.R. Maccabee, the freshman, with his first basket. And now a steal. In the lane, driving, puts it up, no good, but draws the foul. I'm seeing some signs, some flashing signs right there. J.R. Maccabee, a freshman. And you've heard me before, the best thing about freshmen is they become sophomores and juniors and seniors. And with it, they gain experience. And J.R. is showing he can play. 2 for 2, 4 points in the game. 53-19, Slidell. And there's a turnover. .705 to go. Slidell up big. Shot up by Rouse, no good. Quickly the other way. Fountainblue kicking it out. Butone. Drive down the lane, kicks it back out. Pass inside, nicely done. And a good finish by Andre Accardo for his first basket. Quick the other way, Rouse with the shot, no good. Rebound, Alfred going coast to coast, no, dishes it off. In the lane, drive, put up, shot, good. Colin Butone. He has 7 points, draws the foul from Rucker, and he'll go to the line. Turner checks back in, and Logan Forrest checks out. 53-23, Butone at the line. He knocks it down. He's got 8 in the game. 53-24, Maccabee up. Perkins. Maccabee, no, check that. Fleming, long shot, no good. Rebound, Rouse. Rouse in the lane, puts up a shot, no good. Gets his own rebound, put back. Mitchell Rouse showing some determination there. Get the basket. Steal by Rucker, nicely done. Pull-up jumper by Rucker. He's got 8 all in the second half, 57-24. shot. Alfred off the mark. Maccabee, rebound. Quickly up the court. Kick out. Fleming, shot. Good for 3. Tristan Fleming has a trifecta, and it's 60-24. Slidell, and we have a foul. It's going to be on Rouse. Kuzan checks in, Rucker checks out. Rucker strong second half with 8 for the Tigers. Ryan Alfred inbounds. Utone down the lane, layup, right hand misses. Maccabee gonna bring it up. Down inside for Rouse, and he draws the foul.
Foul call on number 21, Ryan Alfred. His second, team's fourth.
Rouse misses on the first.
Tigers 52, Michael Morris.
He'll get a second. Mitchell Rouse. Good on the second. He's got 3 points. Oh no, that one's waved off. Somebody was in the lane too soon. 60-24. Slidell over Fontainebleau. 4:50 to go in this one. Utone kicks it back out. Around the horn, that one stolen by Rouse. Maccabee in traffic, gives it up for Rouse. Off the glass it goes. Rouse has got 4, 62-24. Turner. Inside in the lane, shot, goes. Jason Turner has 7. And he'll get a chance to make 3 points the old-fashioned way.
Foul call on number 52, Michael Morris, his first.
Turner misses. Rouse with the rebound. Maccabee going to bring it up. 4:15 to go in this one. J.R. Maccabee, high pass inside for Mitchell Rouse. And Rouse has 6 here in the fourth quarter. Shot goes down by Lemoyne. 64-28, Slidell. Fleming off the mark, rebound, Rouse, put back, no good, loose ball. Fontainebleau comes away with it, right, rebound by Ryan Alfred. Turner in the lane, pull up jumper, knocks it down. Turner's got 9, and we got a timeout with 3:28 to go in this one. 64-30, Slidell up big over Fontainebleau. Shot right there from Weston Mitchell. Mac Abear with the rebound for Fontainebleau, coming the other way. Thompson. Lemoyne in the lane, and a whistle. We're going to go to 1-1.
Foul call on number 3, Jelly, his first.
Lemoyne to shoot at 1-1. If he makes it, he gets another. If not, it's a free ball. Free ball. Put back attempt by Abear, no good. Rebound though to Fontainebleau. Shot, good by Ryan Alfred. Fraticelli. Ruben Kuzan Fraticelli. Mitchell. Kuzan. Long shot by Mitchell. Off the mark. Loose ball. Foul on Ruben Kuzan. That'll be a 1-1. And John Paul Fugate will have to wait. Now he can come in as Michael Morris checks out.
Substitution for the Tigers, number 44, John Paul Fugate.
Lemoyne, good on that one. He'll get a second. Two for 5 from the line, Lemoyne. Fraticelli. Ball out of bounds. Slidell will bring it in. Weston Mitchell will inbound. Shot by Mitchell. Kane Mitchell, no good. Shot from the corner, no good. Rebound, Ruben Kuzan. Fraticelli. Turnaround shot on the whistle by Weston Mitchell, called for the travel. Fontainebleau down under 2 minutes now. That shot off the mark. Rebound, Kuzan, Ruben Kuzan. Coach Cimento has emptied his bench. Fraticelli. Kuzan thinking about it. Goes outside of Harry Fraticelli. We got a timeout. $1:30 to go in this one. 64-30, a 30-point lead for Slidell over Fontainebleau. Slidell inbound. Fugate pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound, Mitchell. Kick back out. Weston Mitchell with that shot, no good.
Foul call number 42, Kane Mitchell, his first.
Kane Mitchell called for the foul. We're going to go to the other end and shoot a 1-and-1 with $1:19 to go. Michael Morris set to check back in.
Bulldogs, Joseph Piscani.
Escani good on the first shot. Joseph will get a second. Knocks it down. Kane Mitchell gets it ahead. John Paul Fugate gets a basket. 1:10 to go, 66-36. Slidell, all Slidell. 5-point lead after one quarter. Pushed it out to 16 and finally to 30. Just playing some great defense, and we have a whistle. Slidell played some really good defense. Fontainebleau could only get 4 points in the third quarter. And that's pretty much where it was blown open. Second and third quarters. Shot by Kuzan off the mark. Rebound Fontainebleau. Nice pass and a good basket over there by Thompson. Off of a pretty pass. Fraticelli gets it inside. Fraticelli, that one's going to be out of bounds. Harry Fraticelli, a 5'6" sophomore, unable to control. 19.6 seconds to go in this one. Turnaround shot, good by Logan Forrest. That shot, good by Fugate, and that'll end it 68-40. Slidell over Fontainebleau. Got to send our thank yous out to the people that brought you this game, starting with our superintendent, Mr. Trey Foltz, our director of broadcasting, Dr. Melody Sway, our cameraman, editor, and coordinator of Channel 13, Dave the Ray Williams, Charles Tiger Edwards. Good night. God bless. You be good. You are now leaving the prep zone.